I'm Louis Beaubien, I'm the CEO of BlueNode. We're based here at the Port Innovation Engagement and Research Centre here at the Port of Halifax. And what we are is an artificial intelligence platform focused on supply chains. We're applying novel approaches to AI to be used in supply chains that haven't ever been used before. The biggest part of the supply chain anywhere in the world is maritime supply chains. And ports, shipping lines play a massive part in that. There's trillions and trillions of dollars that are shipped across our oceans every year, and the business has basically been the same for thousands of years. As a result of that, there's a real need for innovation, and one of the biggest areas innovation is needed is in the way that we collect, understand, and manage the data that covers how exports come out of a country, how imports go into a country, how everything gets traveled, how we track hazardous goods, how we maintain an inclusive supply chain to make sure that there aren't people being left out just because of hiccups in the supply chain. And that's, I guess, the core of what our project is doing, working with the Port of Halifax and with SAAB, trying to find the best technologies from an information infrastructure point of view to be able to make supply chains as efficient and as effective and inclusive as possible. If we don't have accurate data, which is what BlueNode provides through its AI platform alongside our partners with SAAB, is a real inability for us to lever where technology is going to help advance supply chains and move them forward. Whether it comes to carbon tracking and sustainability, tracking hazardous and dangerous goods coming into and out of a country, these are essential processes, alongside the larger issues of just the integrity of the supply chain. For our Ocean Supercluster project, collaboration was one of the most important things. The first way that I can think of is the collaboration between SAAB, which is a market leader in the industry, and BlueNode, which is an AI platform that's a startup that's really trying to break into the industry. And then when you think about the Port of Halifax as a partner in this project, the collaboration becomes even stronger because this is the introduction of a customer role into our project that's engaged in testing it and moving the technology forward. One of the most exciting things I think that the Ocean Supercluster has been able to contribute to the ocean economy is the notion of collaboration. If you think about how innovation happens, how growth happens, it really is by getting partners to work together to find new solutions, to solve existing problems better, and to solve the new problems that are around the corner.